right, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Bain Break It Down Forex. It's your boy Big Bain in this thing, and I got something special for you guys today. I want to tell you guys basically how you guys can make $100 a day. Okay, um, really, the reason why I want to put this out there for you guys is because I noticed that there's a lot of people that hop into Forex and they actually, have some success, right? They make some money and then they also lose money, right? But at some point they get to where they don't really know how much money they're going to make that day, right? And after a while they realize that, hey, they got to pick a number, right? You know what I mean? They just got to have something, some type of goal, financially, from a financial standpoint, that they're aiming for. Okay. And so, once they cross that bridge, they're asking themselves, okay, well, I set a goal. I want to make $100 a day. $100 a day seems pretty cool, right? Seems pretty manageable. It's just something that you think you can, make out of the day. So you got that in the bag, right? But now you're asking yourself, well, how do I actually make $100 a day? Like, how do I facilitate that? All right. In this video, I'm going to break that down for you guys and let you know exactly how to do that. So what you guys notice here on the screen is that on the left side here, we have basically your account with $100 in it and a leverage of 1 to 500. All right. I know not a lot of brokers offer high leverage, but if you do happen to have a broker that offers high leverage, uh, I do suggest, you go with them. That way you can take advantage of what I'm about to explain so that you can make $100 a day. All right. And I will post a link to the broker that I use because they do offer a leverage of 1 to 500. So you guys can go ahead and click the link in the description and then go ahead and register with that broker so that, again, you guys will be able to take out these lot sizes for any given trade and, hit your goal of $100 a day. All right. So that's on the left side, the $100 account with the 1 to 500 leverage. On the right hand side is a $500 account with a leverage of 1 to 500. Bang, 1 to 500 leverage. What does that mean? I don't get that. Well, all it is really the amount of money that your broker is going to allow you to borrow so that you can get into a trade. All right. So yes, you only have $100 that you put in your account, right, out of your own pocket, but $500 is going to be what the broker is going to times your money by and allow you to borrow. So here it is, right? $100 times a leverage of 500 will give you $5,000 that you can get into a trade in. So you guys can clearly see why a lot of traders love brokers that offer high leverage, because you can get into a trade that costs a lot more money, right, than you actually have in your account. All right, that's what that's all about. Okay, so on the left hand side, obviously the $100 account times the 500 leverage gives you $5,000 that you can get into on any particular trade, right? Whatever the lot size may happen to be, just as long as the margin required for that trade does not reach above $5,000, then you can enter that trade. Okay. On the right hand side, again, $500 times a leverage of 500, 1 to 500, will give you guys $25,000, right? That you can get into a trade that costs up to that much, right? Depending on whatever lot size you choose. Either way, if you start out with $100 a day, I'm sorry, if you start out with $100 in your account, or if you start out with $500 in your account, I'm going to break it down how you can make $100 a day with those two amounts. Okay, so on the left, we're going to be trading the Euro USD. It could be any pair, right? I'm just using that as an example. And what you're going to do is you're going to take out two mini lots. All right, two mini lots looks like this on the MT4 when you pop it in, right? 0.20. Okay, and it will cost you $40, right? So out of the $100 that's in your account, it's going to cost you $40 to get into a mini lot on the Euro USD. All right. Now, for a mini lot, right? When you take out a mini lot, you're basically making $2 per pip. So for every pip movement, you're going to make $2. All right. So then we just got to bring it full circle. If we have $100 daily goal that we're trying to get to, and we can take out two mini lots on the Euro USD where we're making $2 per pip, well, all you have to do is some basic math, right? You'll take your $100 that you have in your account and you will divide it by $2, all right? And this will give you 50 pips. So there you have it, right? All you need to do is catch 50 pips within the day with taking out just one trade, right? With that has a two mini lots, right? That are taken out. Again, looks like this, right? Which gives you $2 per pip. So if you catch 50 pips times $2, it's $100. Okay, so your goal will be met for that day. And yes, I know it's 50 pips, and some of you guys are saying maybe that's a lot, right? But if you understand smart money concepts, price action, right? Market manipulation, and you guys get in at, when you get to taking trades at the most opportune times in the market, 50 pips is nothing. All right. You can catch 25 on the way up. You can also catch 25 on the way down in less than 8 hours. Okay. So again, if you're not very skilled at trading just yet, please come check out my Discord because we will get you right. Okay. I will tell you everything that you need to know. It will not be a mystery. And all of those things that I just mentioned will also be, something that you understand to where you can make this money on your own without having, any kind of confusion about, what's all this Forex stuff about. Okay. So on the flip side, all right, with the $500 account, it gets even easier. All right. And this is the reason why, we kind of say it takes money to make money because the more money you have, the more money you can make. All right. That's just the name of the game, people. All right. So again, same pair Euro USD. But this time, instead of taking out two mini lots, all right, we'll be taking out four mini lots, all right? And again, we can get into that because it'll only cost us $80, right, out of the 500 that we have in our account, okay? And with the four mini lot, you're basically going to be making $4 per pip, all right? So again, right after you know the amount of money that you're going to make per pip, you can do some simple math, right? So you have a daily goal of $100. Well, all you have to do is take that and divide it by $4, right? Which is what you're going to be making per pip. And that means you would need to catch only 25 pips. Okay, guys? So let me see. Okay, yeah, so I did my math right. Again, that is um, 25 pips that you would need to catch, making $4 per pip. That will give you guys $100 a day. Okay, so one scenario, you have $100, you take out two mini lots on the Euro USD, and all you need to do is catch 50 pips. You'll make $100 that day. On the opposite side, again, you're trading the Euro USD, but you take out four mini lots, which is going to give you $4 per pip, and you catch 25 pips only, right? That's basically half of what you had to catch with $100 in your account. So now you can only imagine, what if you had $1,000, right? What if you had $2,000? Then this gets smaller and smaller and smaller, guys. So you thought 50 pips was hard. Okay, well, 25 pips is definitely going to be obtainable. And then anything less than 25 pips is going to just seem unfair, right? It's going to seem like somebody's playing a game with you. You're going to be like, wait a minute, all I have to do is catch 10 pips? Come on now, right? Easy money, people. All right. But again, these kind of, this concept is kind of foreign to, mostly new traders that don't quite understand lot sizes. They don't quite understand leverage, and they don't really know how much money they'll be making per pip to kind of come up and understand how to have make a set amount of money within a day or a week or a month. Okay, but things like this I teach all of my students day in, day out. All right, guys. So if you are interested, please click the link in the bio. Come on and hop over in my Discord, and again, I will hold your hand. Right, I will answer all of your questions, and at the end of the day, you will understand whatever it is that you don't currently right now. All right. But again, guys, in the meantime, in between time, I will see you guys. Peace.